Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in the 2024 Toyota Sienna XLE. This vehicle has 245 horsepower with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with it's also a hybrid, and you'll have a continuously variable transmission. Reverse camera right there. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this car. Yeah, this interesting looking wood-like trim, or it looks like wood at least, but it's not wood. You have a lot of storage space underneath the center console. It's like a floating center console design, and you have a lot of legroom up here. Just obviously with the being a minivan, it has a lot of practicality and space throughout the cabin. Eco, normal, sport modes. But let's walk around the Sienna. You also have a sunroof. Here's the rear seat. You have a bench seat, and you can also remove the middle one, I'm pretty sure, to make captain's chairs. And you have 3 seats in the back. So it's an 8-passenger minivan, which is pretty cool. And here is the cargo space with the 3rd row up. Here's the front of the van. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. So honestly, this definitely feels like, for 245 horsepower, it feels quicker than that, because it is a hybrid and you get, you know, some instant acceleration. This, I mean, it definitely feels a lot quicker than 245, which is a good thing because this is obviously a giant minivan. So, but yeah, I mean, the acceleration isn't terrible, considering the fact that it's a minivan and a CVT. The hybrid definitely helps it out. It also gets 36 miles per gallon, so that's amazing fuel economy for a minivan. Can't beat that, you know. And this car has basically a half a tank of gas, and it has it says distance to M3 303 miles. So if you're getting 500 to 600 miles of range in this car, that's fantastic. I think it's really good that Toyota made even the Sienna, all the Sienna's hybrids, which really helps it. And the ride overall is pretty smooth. It's pretty nice. Seats are comfortable, and you have, as I said, you have a lot of room, and you have armrests, which is nice. But basically, it's really good that the really small engine doesn't really hurt the acceleration of this van because of the hybrid component. But if it did not have a hybrid component, it would be insanely slow. 245 horsepower would not be acceptable for a minivan if it did not have the hybrid component, and some instant torque off the line, which is pretty necessary with this low power on a minivan. So that's good thinking from Toyota on that. And obviously with Toyota, you know, we all know Toyota's reputation for reliability. This will probably last a very, very long time, provided that you take care of it, and will probably be a very reliable vehicle for your family. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like the Sienna XLE.